Welcome to our channel. Enabling SafeSearch in Chrome helps filter explicit content from your search results, making browsing safer for all users. Let's enable this important feature. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the Google Search homepage. Step 2. Click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. If you don't see it, try clicking on your profile picture first. Step 3. Look for the Search Settings option and click on it to access Advanced Search Preferences. Step 4. Scroll down to find the SafeSearch Filters section. This controls what type of content appears in your search results. Step 5. Click on the checkbox or toggle next to Filter Explicit Results to enable SafeSearch. Step 6. If you want to lock SafeSearch settings, click on Lock SafeSearch and sign in with your Google account credentials. Step 7. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your changes. Step 8. Perform a test search to verify that SafeSearch is working properly and filtering inappropriate content from results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.